What's the meaning of birthstone? Birthstone. Birthstone.
Birthstone. Birthstone. A birthstone is a gemstone associated with the month of an individual's birth. These gemstones hold significant meaning and symbolism as they are believed to possess special powers that can bring good luck, health, and prosperity to the person born in that particular month. The concept of birthstones dates back to ancient times, where people believed that the alignment of planets and stars influenced one's destiny. The tradition continued throughout history, and today, birthstones are still highly valued and often gifted as a special and personalized piece of jewelry. Birthstones are believed to bring happiness, positivity, and good fortune to their wearers.